with a new video. So I have this wet wave by DYHAIR777 777. This is Indian virgin, 100% virgin hair. But what I like about DYHAIR777, it's a cute little satchel bag with a drawstring top, and it comes with some eyelashes, which is really, really cute. So this unit is 18 inches long. It's pre-plucked, but I plucked it myself. It's a 360 lace, and it's your poppin'. Anyways, I'm not really showing you the cap method here. It's kind of like I kind of already had it on, so I'm just cutting off the extra pieces that I need to get off and just doing my regular thing. If you want to see a more detailed video on how I put the cap on, just check out one of my previous videos. Or this is just me fixing up a cap that I already had on. Like I said, it's a 360 lace with a 6-inch part, and it has about 4 combs surrounding the perimeter of the head, and also straps in the back. It did come pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more. I'm actually still learning the pluckingness of what's most comfortable, what to do. You know, I'm learning this over time. So I plucked it as much as I knew how, and this is me just trying it on, seeing if this is how close it is to my hairline as possible, because I do have a irregular hairline. And so when I'm cutting it, I cut it right in the middle of my head first, and then I take the wig off and I put it on the mannequin and I cut it on there because it's easier for me to see everything, so that I'm not like cutting on the actual hairline. At this moment, I am still a novice, so I don't know how to bleach knots or do anything like that yet. And I'm also a little too scared to do it, but I'm learning. But I do put my powder foundation on my cap, on my head, and on the inside of the wig cap. And I put my glue, like how I explained before. I put about 2 or 3 layers and let it dry. If you want to see that in more detail, please check out my previous videos. I do use the Got To Be Glue spray to help with some pieces that didn't lay down, or to get it a little bit more neater and tighter without using the Ghost Bond glue. I didn't really do much with my edges because, again, like I said, I'm still learning, and I don't know, I'm really comfortable with the natural looks, even when I'm wearing false hair, if for lack of a better term. this is my finished look. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want down below. And I'll put all the information in the description box. Thanks for watching. Peace.